good morning to one and all present here. We would first like to extend a warm welcome and request our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Jyoti Saxena, to kindly address us all.
Good morning, all of you. I extend my warm greetings to my beloved students, teachers, and incredible parents. I feel delighted to see youngsters participating in various activities with a lot of vigor and ebullience, and finally blossoming into an individual with numerous capabilities. We at Gyan Bharati always try to offer you a stage wherein one chapter closes and an incipient one commences, each occasion giving you the liberty to examine, to ask questions, reflect, and also to introspect. We set our own standards, strive to achieve them, and ascend to higher calibers by shaping up your multifarious personal qualities such as teamwork, leadership, resoluteness, flexibility, self assurance, and self confidence. So, together with studies, I would profoundly relish you to enhance in diverse areas, which may include sports, music, inscribing, artwork, dance, MUN, and so forth. I feel that although it is very important to know all the basic subjects like mathematics, science, literature, etc., but children, it is equally important for you to explore real world problems and challenges as a whole, which you can experience by developing better communication and better social skills. When you achieve success through the activities you are passionate about, your self confidence improves. Also, your brain functions properly. It helps to concentrate and get higher grades in academics too. So, my dear children, you need to expand your social network and potentially build friendship out of your usual circle. Success in competitions and activities outside the academic curriculum is definitely great to be included in your resume because it is an evidence of well-rounded interest and skills. For example, if a student was on a debating team in the school time, the employers would know that he or she work well with others and can argue professionally on a point, which are awesome skills to have in the workplace. So, dear children, participation is equally important as winning is. So, without taking much time, I will end with the famous quote of our beloved ex-president APJ Abdul Kalam, who said, "All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents." Do ponder upon it. All the best to all the participants. Do well, stay safe, stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. You never cease to motivate us.
4 फरवरी 1922 की घटना ये पुरानी है, आज चौरी चौरा कांड की कहानी हमें सुनानी है। गोरखपुर जिले के एक गांव में चौरी चौरा था जिसका नाम। निर्दोषों को जेल भेजने के विरुद्ध भीड़ ने उठाई जोर की आवाज। फिर क्या था, पुलिस ने निहत्थी भीड़ पर जमकर बरसाई गोलियां। भीड़ भी हुई बेकाबू, कानून को हाथों में लिया। हिंसा भड़क उठी पुलिस स्टेशन पर, लगा दी गई आग। 22 पुलिसकर्मी जिसमें जलकर हो गए खाक। इस दुखद घटना के कारण गांधी जी ने असहयोग आंदोलन छोड़ दिया। चौरी चौरा की हिंसा ने उनके दिल को तोड़ दिया। लेकिन चौरी चौरा घटना का महत्व है इससे भी गहरा। अन्याय व अत्याचार देश प्रेम और आजादी के आगे न ठहरा। बलिदान स्वयं का देकर शहीदों ने आजादी को मान दिया। समस्त देश को अपने वीर होने का साक्षात प्रमाण दिया। उन अमर शहीदों को नतमस्तक हो शीश झुकाएं, चलकर चौरी चौरा पर। आओ मिलकर सब सदी मनाएं, चलकर चौरी चौरा पर। इस धर्म युद्ध की सदी मनाएं, चलकर चौरी चौरा पर, मिलकर चौरी चौरा पर।
Chauri Chaura would have remained an unknown village if the act of violence that was sparked 100 years ago had not hurt Gandhiji, our apostle of peace and non-violence. This unforgettable event was largely forgotten in nationalist lore. It came to be remembered only as an episode which forced Mahatma Gandhi to call off an all-India movement of non-cooperation with the British. The significance of Chauri Chaura in Indian history lay outside the time and place of its occurrence. This episode in the struggle of Indian independence shows that history is not only about great people and great events, but it is also about the efforts and aspirations of ordinary people. Chauri Chaura remains the first and last event of its kind in the Indian struggle for independence. Good morning everyone. To commemorate 100 years of Chauri Chaura, I, Anusha Katyal, on behalf of Gyan Bharati School, warmly welcome you all to Gloria Humanitas, our annual inter-school event which is woven around Chauri Chaura and will encapsulate a gamut of emotions and sentiments expressed through music, writing and artistic expressions which will bring the events that happened 100 years ago to life in front of us today. We had 26 schools participating in the 3 events and we will be showcasing the best entries shortlisted by the judges. Now we have Felicia who will take us through our first event.
Music is the universal language that has never been the slave of words. Anyone could listen to a song from any other part of the world and be able to predict the mood of the song. Such is the power of rhythm. It speaks directly to the heart. Music is a blessing. It can soothe us, rejuvenate us, fill us with energy and pleasure, and can even unite us. Music is not just a mere form of sensory pleasure. Rather, it can evolve itself into a form of resistance. The world is replete with songs that glorify and stand against oppression, and they have stood the test of time. So let's ignite that flare, feel the agony and pain of the people who witnessed Chauri Chaura. Now, let us start with our very first event, a self-composed group song presentation entitled Chauri Chaura ke Shaheedon ko Naman. We have students from class 6 to 8 who have metamorphosed themselves into those strong-willed ancestors of ours and created their own songs to pay homage to those martyrs who set a blazing trail for the others to follow.
Greetings to everyone. We, the students of Gyan Bharati School, are now going to present a self-written and self-composed song which highlights the profound significance of the Chauri Chaura incident of our freedom struggle. This is a poignant song that deeply touches the emotion of suffering and sacrifices made by the unsung heroes of our freedom struggle. This is a song based on Rupak Tal with 4 vocalists, 1 keyboardist and 1 tabla player.
चौरी चौरा क्रांति ने देश में मर्मभेदी ज्वाला जगाई थी। चौरी चौरा क्रांति ने देश में मर्मभेदी ज्वाला जगाई थी। बापू के सत्याग्रह की नींव, बापू के सत्याग्रह की नींव और अधिक सशक्त बनाई थी। चौरी चौरा क्रांति ने देश में मर्मभेदी ज्वाला जगाई थी। चला कर बुझ गई ऐसी शहादत ठानी थी। चौरी चौरा क्रांति ने देश में मर्मभेदी ज्वाला जगाई थी। इतिहास रच कर के नया शान राष्ट्र की बढ़ा गई। तन मन और प्राण को होम कर आंखें सभी की भराई थी। चौरी चौरा क्रांति ने देश में मर्मभेदी ज्वाला जगाई थी। बापू के सत्याग्रह की नींव, बापू के सत्याग्रह की नींव और अधिक सशक्त बनाई थी। चौरी चौरा क्रांति ने देश में मर्मभेदी ज्वाला जगाई थी।
Greetings everyone. We, the students of Tagore International School, Vasant Vihar, New Delhi, present to you a song based on the Chauri Chaura incident. This song is a tribute to all the freedom fighters.
हमारे संग हम लाए एक कहानी, हंसते हंसते दे दी थी उन वीरों ने कुर्बानी। चौरी चौरा की घटना जब भी याद हमें है आती, आज भी ये कथा सुनकर सबकी रूह कांप जाती। सुधार बढ़ती कीमतों और मदिरा के खिलाफ निकाला उन्होंने प्रचार। दरोगा गुप्तेश्वर को ये बात रास न आई, प्रदर्शनकारियों को डाल जेल में करी उनकी धुनाई। भूले ना कभी ये कर्ज हम, देशभक्ति ही सच्चा धर्म, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, खाई हमने है ये कसम। भूले ना कभी ये कर्ज हम, देशभक्ति सच्चा धर्म, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, खाई हमने है ये कसम। 4 फरवरी को फिर घटी भयानक घटना, रोष में प्रचार कर्मियों को पड़ा था कहर भुगतना। प्रचार कर रहे लोगों को रोका जब पुलिस ने, बरसी गोलियां रंगी वो मिट्टी उन्हीं के लहू से। जेल में वहाँ के थाने में डाला कई पुलिसकर्मियों को उस आग में झुलसने। देख ये घटना बापू का भी मन हुआ परेशान। रोक दिया यह देश में असहयोग आंदोलन प्रचार। सीने पर गोली खाई हमारे वीर जवानों ने। गवा दिए जवान बच्चे कितनी मजबूर माँ ने। भूलना कभी कर्ज हम देशभक्ति ही सच्चा धर्म। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा खाई हमने है ये कसम। भूलना कभी कर्ज हम देशभक्ति ही सच्चा धर्म। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा खाई हमने है ये कसम। खाई हमने है ये कसम। खाई हमने है ये कसम।
नमस्कार। भारत के अनेक वीरों ने हमारी स्वतंत्रता के लिए अपना बलिदान दिया है। ऐसा ही एक किस्सा है चौरी चौरा का, जहां कुछ वीर हिंदुस्तानियों ने आज़ादी का आगाज किया था। आज हम इसी घटना से संबंधित आपके समक्ष एक गीत प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं।
वो वीर हिंदुस्तान के कर गए बलिदान। चौरी चौरा के वीरों ने रचा नया इतिहास। वो वीर हिंदुस्तान के कर गए बलिदान। चौरी चौरा के वीरों ने रचा नया इतिहास। सन 1922 की घटना ने किया कमाल। अंग्रेजों की नींद उड़ा दी, तोड़ दिया अभिमान। 4 फरवरी गोरखपुर में भड़की थी जो आग। आक्रोश से भरे हुए थे देश के वीर जवान। याद उन्हें हम करते हैं सलाम। चौरी चौरा के वीरों ने रचा नया इतिहास। वो वीर हिंदुस्तान के कर गए बलिदान। चौरी चौरा के वीरों ने रचा नया इतिहास। आ
Patra. I am from class 7 and I am going to participate from APJ School Saket.
I am Anvisha Hota from class 6th. I am participating from APJ School Saket.
I am Swastik Sahu from class 6th. I am participating from APJ School Saket.
I am Abhilasha Chatterjee from class 7. I am participating from APJ School Saket.
Hello, I am Bidunil Bora of class 8 from APJ School Saket.
My name is Riyansh Pandey. I am in class 8 and I am participating from APJ School Saket.
Such performances transport us back to that time of high energy and make us experience the drive that fueled the great freedom fighters of our country. I would now like to request Kirtika to take over the reins of the program.
Anne Frank, the author of The Diary of a Young Girl, has stated in her diary that she could shake off everything when she used to write. All her sorrows used to disappear and she could feel that her courage was reborn. Diary writing has been one of the favored pastimes for humans for centuries. In fact, it is believed that Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius was one of the earliest to have a diary. Writing a diary on a historical event offers us the thrill and adventure of a momentous occasion of reckoning through our eyes. So let's plunge into the pages of history as created by our young writers and share their reflections on the Chauri Chaura incident.
diary entries have really transported us back in time and have brought the Chauri Chaura incident vividly alive. A big thank you to all the participants. Moving ahead, now I'd like Anusha to take over.
For nearly 200 years, postage stamps have been key enablers of a system that links humans by physical messages. But beyond their role as facilitators of communication, stamps themselves carry messages embedded in their usage and imagery. We will now have a glimpse of the artistic expressions of the postage stamp designing competition, which was organized to design a commemorative stamp to highlight the significance of the Chauri Chaura incident in India's struggle for independence.
In the words of John Quincy Adams, if your actions inspire others to do more, learn more, dream more, and become more, you are a leader. Let me now invite on screen, with a thunderous applause, the beacon of our school, a veteran educationist, winner of numerous global and national awards in the field of education, the very caring and compassionate, our dear director, Dr. Lata Vaidyanathan ma'am.
Greetings from Gyan Bharati School, Saket. Dear participating school children, teachers, and all the organizing children of our school. These are difficult times. The pandemic has kept us indoors, has kept students' interaction to the minimum. But we shall not be cowed away from these by these struggles. What we are looking for is creative participation from all children. The Department of Commerce, Economics, and the Humanities have put together a host of events which brings out the creative best in children, and they are able to raise their opinions and bring forth their arguments, create designs and solve problems, present business plans and bulletins, and also make sure that each participant feels a sense of elevation with respect to their own thought process. It's a pleasure to watch them participate in all these events and make sure that the time indoors has not kept them away from learning or participating at inter-school levels. I'm delighted that so many schools have come forward to participate in these events, making it one of the most successful platforms for student interaction. Winning or losing is a part of the game, but this is about raising opinions. This is about creativity. This is about problem solving. And in a strange way, this, I think, is great design thinking. Wish you all the best and congratulations to all the winners. God bless and stay safe.
I'm sure you all must be excited to know the results of the various competitions. It's now time to announce the results. Starting with our first event, group song. The second position has been bagged by the Tagore International School, Vasant Vihar, represented by Abir Bhardwaj, Jesnoor Kaur, Aditya Mathur and Vrinda Arora. The first position goes to Gyan Bharati School, represented by Sohini Banerjee, Disha Shaw, Arshi Mehta, Arohi Shreya, Idika Sood and Srimoy Das. Moving on to our second event, diary entry competition. We have a tie for the second position, which is shared by Davina Saxena of the GD Goenka School, Vasant Kunj, and Anushka Jindal of the Mater Dei School. The first position is bagged by Adrija Paul of the Mothers International School. Moving on to our third and last event, postage stamp designing. In this category, the second position has been bagged by Bluebells International School, represented by Ahana Das and Amna Halim. The first position goes to the Mothers International School, represented by Arushi Baba and Srimai Nenwal. And now for the Rolling Trophy. The Rolling Trophy for Gloria Humanitas 2021-2022 goes to Gyan Bharti School. However, we are not competing for the Rolling Trophy as we are the host school. Therefore, the Rolling Trophy for Gloria Humanitas 2021-2022 goes to the Mothers International School. Thank you to all the participants and congratulations to all the winners.
Now, we would like to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the Gyan Bharti School fraternity. First and foremost, we would like to express our gratitude to our mentors. Lata ma'am, our director, Jyoti ma'am, our principal, and Sanjay sir and Mudita ma'am, our vice principals, for envisioning and creating this opportunity to celebrate this historic event of 100 years of Chauri Chaura. We would like to express a warm and heartfelt thank you to the schools who participated in our annual event with zest and enthusiasm. We are sincerely thankful to the efforts of the entire task force of students and the Social Science Department who have worked relentlessly in order to showcase today's program. We would also like to express our gratitude to the Computer Department who helped us put up a wonderful show. Last but definitely not the least, a big thank you to the audience who stayed with us to motivate and encourage all the participants. Stay healthy, stay safe, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.